Hello all my friends, good day, Liz here. Today I'd like to introduce our outdoor items for you. So now I will introduce one by one. Here is adhered street light. This one project needed. Here with lens. COB function. The street light can adjust the angle and UFO. This area is floodlight. This one here with lens also. And 3CCT here. 3CCT can help you save money. COB glass. This one also 3CCT. If you want to know more details about outdoor items, welcome to contact our salesperson. We can provide you with our e-catalog. Thank you. Bye.